Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Subversion, an open source code repository in Docker. To begin, connect to the device where we're going to install Docker. We'll start by installing a few prerequisite packages required to install Docker. Then we'll add the Docker gnupg key and apt repository. Now using apt install, we'll install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll set the Docker service to be started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start running containers. We'll start by creating a working directory for Subversion to store its persistent data in. Then using the docker run command, we'll create our Subversion container. Make sure to update the admin username and password before pressing enter and starting the container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8080. Log in using the credentials set in the docker run command. The container provides two web interfaces to view your source code repositories. At the bottom of the page, click the web SVN link. To create a new repository, we'll use the docker exec command to interact with the Subversion command line tools inside the container. If we refresh the web pages, we should see our new repository listed. We now have Subversion running containerized in Docker.